So many of you are wanting to know how to make money online in 2024, how the process works, how can you get these companies that are already running and pretty much become affiliates for them and offer good quality products to people. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys. I have a company right here that I've been taking their products for about a year. And I said, you know what? Compensation plan looks pretty well. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm going to scroll through some of these products. One thing to take away is there's a lot of, different products in the health and wellness niche. How do I know like these are the ones? For one, never think with a scarcity mindset. Think as every time you post a piece of content, that person doesn't have an answer for their health and wellness, doesn't have specific products that they use, or they don't know about any of these other companies out there, because that's usually how it works. Second, we have our own formulator in house. We have first pick on our share crops. So we get the most quality ingredients to make these products. And like I said, we have specific recipes that no one else has. That's why you won't see these type of products anywhere. You'll see something similar like a fulvic acid or a magnesium, but they don't have the same formulations. The thing that I love about this place is it's rooted in holistic health. So it's very rooted in my style, the niche. I don't like things that I can just go get at the store. I'll just do that. I like the fact that what's in these different products are key. And we also have an amazing testimonial group, amazing groups where they do lives and talk about how to do these liver detoxes. Here, for example, if you come here, you're going to actually get a protocol on how to use this 3-day cleanse and how it all works from front to back. Anytime you download any of these products, we have PIPs as well, which show you how to specifically use them, who it's for, what's in it, where do these ingredients originate from. You see right here, look how clean this product is. Super clean. If you put this in, say for example, AI, it'll show you the power in all of these. And even take it a step further and say, are these alkaline herbs? Alkaline meaning it doesn't put acids in the body. So amazing, amazing formulations, amazing process of how we do it. So we're gonna go and talk about the money real quick, and I'm gonna start doing these presentation style videos, so to say. Um, Not super presentation style, but just showing you guys products and then showing you how we make the money. And we have sales. If you're seeing this Friday, was it Friday the 28th of February? We still have buy one get one freeze down here on some amazing products. And like I said, you can click on them and see how to use them, what they're for, and you'll be surprised what essential oils can do for you. So there's two sides of this company. We have our supplement side you're seeing on, and we have our personal care side. On my website, you're gonna get a breakdown of how both work, but I'm gonna show you in that supplement line because it's gonna be my biggest seller, just because it's more dynamic with stuff for everyone. So if we come to the opportunity, reason why I love this company is 94% of our members are customers. So people are building business not just with reps. When you build a business with a rep, it's hit or miss. They might want to make money this week. Tomorrow they might not want to make money. It just changes up, and you don't want to build your business on that. You want to build your business on real customers who love the products and want to use them every single month, etc. So what you want to do is find the pack that you want. In this example, if you want to do the business, 100 customer volume is where you want to start. And I can actually pull this up at the same time. So when you create a free account on the back end, you're going to see the actual volume. So when you create a free account, you're going to go to purchase product wherever you're from. And this is how you're going to see it. So if we come back to protocols, everything has volume. 100 volume is super important in this compensation plan just because it unlocks some things. The minimum starting process in here is 25 volume. It's going to give you 20% commissions. It's going to keep you active in the company so you can make some money. So if you look through the protocols, the volume points are what I'm going to be referring to, and I have a video that breaks this down even more. So like the liver parasite combo, is cool, or just a liver combo as well, thyroid reset. There's a lot of different things, and even if you shop around, you'll see so many different products that you can choose from. lot of people love the black seed oil. Right now, it's buy one, get one free. But you see, you have the fulvic powder, which gets rid of heavy metals and different free radicals in your body. Holy basil. This is an amazing one as well. But 100 volume is going to be what I'm going to be speaking about a lot. So the first way to make money is when you put yourself on an auto delivery and purchase a order of 100 customer volume or more, you're going to start getting back percentages. So 1 to 3 months, 5% on your order, meaning this is going to add up in an account where you can use it to buy more products. Here we have that the company cuts the check, so they can do it to a account where you can use their debit card. You can send it to Cash App, send it direct deposit, etc. And that's that. If you create a free account within the company, you'll earn 10% commissions, and that's it. But it's cool to, have that. And even if you go inactive, you don't buy any products next month, you can still earn 10% and be an affiliate, which is cool as well. However, when you hit 25 customer volume, you earn 20%. And then when you do 100 customer volume, you're going to earn 30%. Nice jump. And you're going to earn 3% on your second or third level, meaning if you get a customer and they say, hey, I want to refer someone, it's going to be 3%. If they get a customer, say they want to refer someone, it's going to be 2% you're going to get. And here's some numbers of consultants in 2023. So just to see the possibilities. The second is going to be what's going to get paid just from being active in the company. So 25 customer volume orders and 100, there's a leaderboard. The more you get, if you get the most in the company, you can win up to $900 to $1,000 just for putting in work in the company. This is paid monthly. Everything else is going to be paid weekly and daily. This bonus, I think, is paid daily. So here, if you get 100 customer volume orders, you're going to have this extra bonus. So if you get one, nice. If you get two, $50 bonus. Next, if you start duplicating this with your organization and you guys get more, you're going to get a $75 bonus. So it works right here. So it's going to be 2, 8, 16, up to 32 fills a grid. And that's going to pay you an extra $200. And this is paid daily. This is paid daily as well. So this is another awesome way to make money. This is pretty much the residual side of it. It pays, like I said, it pays out daily. So you're going to get 4 to 12%. 12% is if you are at 100 customer volume, hence why I was mentioning that. 4% to 12%, a huge jump. So like I said, if you can afford it, just purchase a 100 customer volume order every 31 days. And we do a cycle thing. This is a binary. So to really get your business going, you want to have 2 customers or 2 reps, and you're going to put 1 on each side. We're going to show you how to do that in your back office. And once you do that, it's going to start building outside of you. Every time there's 200 customer volume purchased on this side of the binary and 200 customer volume purchased on this side of the binary all together, meaning all of these people could have had a few sales that equal 200. Same here, you're going to get cycled. It's going to be 12% if you're at 100, 4% if you're at 2,500. It's going to pay you around $24. It's about $24 a cycle, and this is unlimited. This can happen multiple times a day, meaning you'll get 24, 24, 24 on top of the other ways I just showed you how to get paid. Easy to understand. And then we have a binary match, and this is paid daily as well. So what happens here is when this same thing happens for your customers or your reps, you're going to get paid 25% if you're a platinum rank, 30% matching bonus, and then you see you can get some duplication, which just all it means is you're just going to have money coming from everywhere. And this is one of my favorite ways to get paid. When you hit a certain rank, and this is paid weekly, when you hit a certain rank, you get money just because you're that rank. So as a platinum, you're gonna get $75 up to $3,900 annually just for being that rank. And you can see right here, my goal for 2025 in the next few months is Emerald. Imagine having $500 hit your account just cause, and this is just a small percentage of your business. Imagine hitting Diamond, you have a car payment or a mortgage hitting your account every week just for being a rank, not including your other money. And we do have double diamonds. So I usually stop here because it's already been done. But imagine you have up to $130,000 annually coming in just from a bonus for putting some work in. It makes you want to work harder, right? And here's some of the income disclosures from 2023 on these different ranks, the high and low. So you see when you start hitting these higher ranks, even the low is amazing a year, as it's being, it's going to start off as a side hustle for most of you. So, even a low, you can work your way up. Like I said, Emerald is where I want to work my way up, which I think 60,000 on the low end is pretty amazing, right? For a home-based business, right? And then on the high end, etc. So if we come down here to the rank requirements, if you don't, personally get 2 customers, you're going to just be pretty much a consultant. You're going to earn your 20%. You need at least 2 customers or 2 reps to start earning in that binary, etc. So if you're inactive, you're just going to earn, like I said up there, a few percent, and you're just going to pretty much be an affiliate. So once you get 2 customers, one on each side, you unlock the binary depending on your personal customer volume. You're going to either get paid 4% or you're going to get paid 12%. So let's scroll down to the ranks. So for the ranks, for the first few ranks, you're going to need um, at least 2 personally enrolled executives, meaning 2 people who have 1 person on each side in their rank, because that's where that first rank is up here. You get 1 person in each leg, you become an executive. So for bronze, you're going to need either 2 of those or 5 team cycles. So long as you have 2 customers, one on each side, and you do 5 team cycles, what I just explained up there, you're going to become a bronze. And then you see, we just added this, in the last year, which makes it so much better, because this can be hard for a lot of people. This is a lot of work. This is your normal MLM structure. This is more product sales, more easy to keep up with. Just go get products, go sign up customers, keep it very easy. When we get to these higher ranks, it also could be a lot harder if we kept it like this. If you want to be sapphire, you need 1 personally enrolled platinum, which could take a little bit of work. Now you just need to be an executive, and you just need to get team cycles. So for me, wanting to hit ruby, I would need 500 team cycles, or I would need to do this requirement. Depends whichever one comes first. And then you can pretty much just see it right here. So for example, right now, starting, end of the month, I have 200,000 volume on one of my legs of binary. So on the left, if I wanted to be emerald, I would need about 1,000 customers within my organization, and I would be an emerald. So it's pretty cool. But the fact that we have high quality products, some people are going to buy more, and that customer volume is going to go up per person. So, it's a little more if everyone just bought a little bit of product, but you're going to get some people who buy a lot of bit of product, so it can be quick, or it could be a little slower, but simple compensation plan, simple compensation plan. And here's some more gross revenue paid to consultants. And then this is just a breakdown on some of the things that we mentioned. It breaks down it even more. And you can get access to this document on the website. You can send me a text here if you have any questions, and you just create a free account here. Or if you're watching this on, YouTube, for example, you can just go to the description. You're going to see my funnel, fill out your name and email, or you're going to see where you can just look at the products if you want to just be a customer. And I'm going to break this down a little bit more and how to effectively do this and automate this business if you want to, or just how to get it up and running. So that is HBN, guys. This is the company that we're going to be running with a lot. You might see some softwares on the YouTube channel, but this is going to be the biggest company that we're going to be running with. So just because it's very valuable, a lot of people need to get their health and wellness moving, especially spring and summer's coming. So it's just going to be a high demand industry all year round. So for more information, check below.